Oh, beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the most effective hairspray for hair growth. Yes, so if you want to make this hair growth, or maybe you are experiencing breakage, which is more powerful than minoxidil, make sure that you watch this video until to the end. To my 64 subscribers, thank you so much, my viewers. God bless you for your support. I really appreciate you guys. Yes, and this makes me like keep on pushing more videos for you, more informative videos. Yes, so like on this channel, we do share how to make all natural hair products, body products, how to formulate, how to draw closer to God, how to have flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients. So, you know, it's very possible. And you can check out other videos that I did. And concerning faith or Christ-like lifestyle, I only upload on Saturday. So make sure that you check out those videos. So these are the products that we are going to use. We are going to use 1 gram of peppermint leaves, 1 gram of rosemary leaves. We are also going to use hibiscus glycerite, 1 gram. We're also going to use a hairspray, and rosemary essential oil. So like these herbs are very powerful to stimulate hair growth. So you get a clean bowl and start pouring in your herbs. So rosemary contains carnosonic acid, an active ingredient in plant healed tissue acid nerve ending damaged in one study. This ability to heal nerve ending may rejuvenate nerves in the tissue, in turn possibly restore hair growth. So rosemary essential oil is more rejuvenating. Recent study shows that rosemary direct helps promote growth against hair loss. One 2019 trial pitted the essential oil against minoxidil, commercially known as Rogaine. So both were used on human studies with adrenogenic alopecia, male or female pattern baldness. Results shows that rosemary essential oil was just so effective as minoxidil. During the process, it helped the side effects of itchy scalp more successfully than minoxidil. So rosemary essential oil stimulates hair growth. Peppermint or peppermint leaves is so pleasant. It has a pleasant smell and tingling feeling. Lend themselves to use in many cosmetics and hair products. So like rosemary essential oil or leaves promotes hair growth. In a study published in toxicological research suggests that peppermint oil solution promotes hair growth. So the peppermint oil and was used performed better than minoxidil, which is a hair growth procedure or product approved by United States Food and Drug Administration, the FDA. So like the menthol, which is found in peppermint, which is the main component in peppermint oil, has like it promotes or it increases blood flow to the area where it is applied. And you also find that many shampoos and hair products contain small amounts of peppermint or menthol due to their cooling effect and fragrance. So at this point, like our tea is almost ready. So you have to make sure that you leave it at least for 15 to 20 minutes to soak. Yes, so we are just putting a foul paper around, and then we'll wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Then our tea will be ready. So like I really love essential oils, and peppermint is one of my favorite. Then second is rosemary. So like these essential oils, they don't miss in my regimen or in my products because they really promote hair growth. So our tea is ready. It's been 15 minutes, and as you can see, it's well combined, even the color has changed. Look, it looks so beautiful. Yes, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so and click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. If you want to be seeing more of these videos, then subscribe. Yes, so make sure that you get a strainer and strain this powerful tea hair growth or hairspray. Look at that. It looks so beautiful. I love it. You know, this is a point where I think about God, how awesome God is. All things that He created are just perfect. So we are going in with our hibiscus glycerite. So like glycerin is a humectant to draw moisture to the hair. So it will make our hair soft and manageable. That soft feeling which we always go for as naturals. And make sure that you stir it. Make sure that you stir all your products so that they are well combined or well blended. So we are using a spatula. In this case, you can use any gadgets that you have. So stir. Once you are done, then you can go in with 1% of rosemary essential oil. So we are pouring in our rosemary essential oil. So like this hairspray or hair tea, like it's very moisturizing. It has many benefits for our hair, like which will promote hair growth, or maybe you're having a challenge with you know, hair loss, baldness, alopecia. This product can work for you. So if you have ever tried it or you have ever tried this solution before, you can kindly comment in the section below. I'll be very glad to hear your comments. So like I really love interacting. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. Now at this point, you can decide whether to preserve it or just put it in the fridge, but I'll go like preserve it because you don't want your product to be useless. You don't want microbials to start, you know, chlorine in your product. So I'm going in with 1% of our natural preservative. So this is a very important step to prevent microbial, you know. So actually the natural preservative that I'm using is UCK 712. And make sure that you stir it, make sure that you blend it so that it's well combined, so that it's evenly distributed. So actually I'm going to use this hairspray like in one of my formulations, I think, as shampoo. So we are pouring in our product in a spray bottle. So at this point it's ready and I'm super excited. Like we poured in a lot to the brim. So look at that. It's so beautiful. The color is so vivid and lovely. So beautiful. Are you going to make that? Give me a like if you like this video. And we have this. This is quite a lot. So we're going to formulate our shampoo using this tea as a water phase. Yes, so it's very good to use it in your water phase. So now at this point we are using our product. I'm super excited. You know, we are trying to grow our hair and our edges, and I'm doing all I can, and prayer has been one of my priority. You know, the Bible tells us that without me you cannot do anything. So like God is so concerned about every welfare in our lives, no matter how small. Yes, so you shouldn't be lazy to pray about small things in your life. God is so concerned about that small things in your life. Yes. So at this point, we are done. You can even massage it in, work it in throughout your hair. So are you going to make this powerful, best hair treatment? Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video.